What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to draw Lewis structure for phosphite ion, PO3-3-. So I start with counting the valence electrons. So we have 5 for phosphorus and 6 for oxygen. We have 3 of them, 3 times 6 plus 3, that's 5 plus 18 plus 3, that makes it 21 plus 5, 26 electrons. Then we have phosphorus in the middle and oxygen around it. So then we have bonds around it. So it means that we have 26 minus 3 bonds, 6. We need 20 more electrons. So we have 2, 4, 5 and 6, right? 2, 4, 5 and 6, 2, 4, 5 and 6. And also we have 2 electrons for the lone pair here because phosphorus is 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So now let's check the octet rule. For phosphorus we have 2, 4, 6 and 8. For oxygen we have 2, 4, 6 and 7, 2, 4, 6 and 7, 2, 4, 6 and 7. So the octet rule is valid for phosphorus, but for oxygen we have 7 of them. So that's why we have -3 here. So it means that we need to have 1 extra electron around each of these oxygen. So that makes it like that. So now octet rule is valid. So I need to put the 3- in here, and that's gonna be the Lewis structure for phosphite. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.